Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Best Amazon Review Products. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Top 10 smartwatch Amazon gadgets and innovation videos, like we're going to unbox the latest gadget that's taking the tech world by storm, or I'll share my top 10 smartwatch. So let's start the video.
Elevate your daily routine with the smartwatch for women featuring Alexa built-in for hands-free convenience. Its stunning 1.95-inch display ensures all your fitness data and notifications are easy to view, while the integrated fitness tracker monitors your heart rate, steps, and more 24/7. Stay connected with the ability to answer and make calls directly from your wrist, making communication effortless even on the go. This smartwatch is not only a fitness companion but also a stylish accessory, designed to fit seamlessly into your active lifestyle. Durable, sleek, and packed with advanced features, it's your all-in-one personal assistant.
Elevate your style and functionality with this smartwatch for women featuring Alexa. Built-in for hands-free convenience. With the ability to answer and make calls directly from your wrist, stay connected wherever you go. The vibrant 1.91 HD screen offers crystal clear visuals for easy navigation and fitness tracking. Monitor your heart rate, steps, sleep patterns, and more with advanced health features. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, this versatile fitness watch helps you stay on top of your goals. Sleek, stylish, and packed with smart tech, it's the perfect companion for your busy life.
The 2024 HD 1.91 smartwatch for men and women combines cutting-edge style with powerful functionality. Equipped with the ability to answer and make calls directly from your wrist, it keeps you connected even on the go. Its stunning HD 1.91 display offers crystal clear visuals, perfect for tracking fitness stats or reading messages. This fitness activity tracker monitors your heart rate, sleep, and daily activities 24/7, giving you real-time health insights. With multi-sport modes, IP68 waterproof rating, and a long battery life, it's your ideal companion for work, workouts, and everything in between. Stay stylish, active, and always in control.
Stay connected and active with the smartwatch for men, offering seamless call functionality to answer and make calls directly from your wrist. Designed for the modern man, it features 100+ sports modes to track every workout, from running to swimming. The fitness watch provides real-time heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and SPO2 levels, keeping you on top of your health. With a sleek, durable design and IP68 water resistance, it's perfect for both work and play. Enjoy long battery life and a customizable interface, all synced with your Android or iPhone.
Experience the ultimate convenience with this smart watch, designed for both men and women. Effortlessly answer or make Bluetooth calls directly from your wrist, keeping you connected without reaching for your phone. With integrated AI control, you can manage your day with voice commands, making multitasking a breeze. Track your fitness with real-time health monitoring, including heart rate, sleep, and activity stats. Stylish and functional, it's compatible with both Android and iPhone. Enjoy long battery life, a durable design, and over 100 sports modes to support your active lifestyle.
Military Smartwatch for Men 152. HD Fitness Tracker Smartwatch with Answer Make Call, built tough for the modern adventurer. This military smartwatch for men combines rugged durability with advanced functionality. Its 152 HD display provides crystal clear visuals, making it easy to monitor your fitness stats, notifications, and more. Designed to handle the toughest conditions, it's resistant to water, dust, and shock. With Bluetooth calling capabilities, you can make and answer calls directly from your wrist, staying connected on the go. The built-in fitness tracker keeps track of your heart rate, steps, and multiple sports modes, making it a perfect companion for both workouts and outdoor adventures. A powerhouse of a smartwatch that's built to last.
Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality with the smartwatch for women. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, this smartwatch seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, offering Bluetooth call capabilities. To make and answer calls directly from your wrist, equipped with Alexa built-in, you can effortlessly manage your day with voice commands. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures you stay connected through all of life's adventures, whether you're swimming or caught in the rain. The comprehensive activity and fitness tracking Features monitor your health metrics around the clock, keeping you motivated and informed. With its elegant design and advanced technology,
Discover the ultimate smartwatch for men and women. A sleek, high-performance wearable that combines style with cutting-edge technology. Featuring a stunning All-Point 96 HD display. This smartwatch ensures clear and vibrant visuals for easy navigation, with heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a pedometer. It offers comprehensive insights into your health and fitness, helping you stay on track with your wellness goals. The recall functionality allows you to answer and make calls directly from your wrist, providing convenience and connectivity on the go. Track your calories burned and keep your daily activities in check with ease. Elevate your lifestyle with this versatile smartwatch, where innovation meets sophistication.
Discover the ultimate blend of style and technology with the smartwatch for women. Featuring a sleek 183 display, this smartwatch offers a stunning clear view of your fitness stats and notifications. With Alexa built in, you can easily manage your day with voice commands, whether it's setting reminders or controlling smart home devices. Enjoy the convenience of answering and making calls directly from your wrist, keeping you connected on the go. The heart rate monitor and a sleep tracker provide comprehensive health insights, ensuring you stay informed about your well-being around the clock. Elevate your daily routine with this elegant yet powerful fitness tracker.
The Parsonverse smartwatch for women combines style and functionality, offering the convenience of answering and making calls directly from your wrist. With its vibrant HD screen, you can easily monitor notifications, track your fitness, and enjoy seamless usability. The built-in fitness tracker monitors your heart rate, steps, sleep, and more, giving you 24/7 health insights. IP68 waterproof rating ensures it stays protected through rain, sweat, or even swimming. With customizable watch faces and a sleek design, it's the perfect companion for an active and connected lifestyle.